Hey guys, so welcome to day 8 of creating my own business. Um, I don't have any recording of making this website. I recorded like 3 or 4 of them, which was like 40 minutes minimum. Then all of them were deleted. I don't know how. Like during the recording, it was automatically deleted. I don't know how. Anyways, so this is the update that I gave to the website. As you can see this is my main website. Now it's live right now, so you can just go to bitmineai.in. Here it is. Research, which is not yet ready. Blogs, I have wrote 2 blogs so far. Projects, which is empty. Our team, which is also empty. And APIs, it's just at platform.bitmineai.in, get free API key. And then here the sign in, okay, APIs, which will of course redirect you to platform.bitmineai.in. In the blocks, let's read one of this. So it has some question and the answer. That's it. Introduction to Vocara dictionary. Okay. If you go back, then in the projects, if you click here, it takes you to Vocara dictionary. I guess it has 500 plus words now. Yeah, we are updating it every now and then. So yeah, that's it for today. Yeah, see you in the next video. This was just some straightforward video, I know. There's no coding scenes and all. Thanks for watching. I will be back with my new project in the next video. Have a great day.